Good morning guys, welcome to the channel. So in the last video I built a off-road bumper for the Jeep. I decided to go ahead and get a winch for it. So I was looking around Harbor Freight and I found the Badland 12,000 pound winch. I got it for a good deal, so let's install it on the Jeep. Alright, so here's the completed bumper. As you can see, I went ahead and painted it. I didn't get to really film much of it. I was kind of in a hurry. I painted it with the bed liner, and I like the way it looks. Alright guys, so we got the winch all bolted down. Alright guys, so you can see I installed the circuit breaker on the positive side of the battery. Then you got a separate black wire, and you run that from your negative side of the battery. I should have went ahead and mounted that wire before I bolted the winch down, so just keep that in mind. It'd be easier if you go ahead and put that wire on. So now that the circuit breaker is installed, you're going to go ahead and get your box and go ahead and install it on the winch. It just kind of sits on there, and there's two screws that goes in behind it to keep it from moving. Alright, so now we got our box installed. Now we're going to take this first black wire right here. It's got the yellow cap, and we're going to mount it right here. It's got a yellow mark already marked for you. We're going to take the third one over, that's the red one, and we're going to put it right here. And now the last wire on the end, this black wire, we'll install it right here. Then you got this black ground wire. You're going to install it under the winch where we installed the negative black wire. Alright, then after you get all that hooked up, you're ready to test the winch out. After you get everything hooked up, you can go ahead and plug your controller up and try it out.